7 sa pagkakongresista, 6 sa pagkaalkalde, 1-on-1 sa bise-pagkaalkalde at 39 na kandidato para sa pagkakonsihal. Ito ngayon ang mga magtatapat-tapat sa darating na halalan sa lungsod ng Baguio. Target nilang ligawan ang nasa higit kumulang 160,000 na mga botante sa lungsod. Bagamat hindi pa man opisyal ang pangangampanya ng mga tumatakbong lokal na kandidato, mayroon ng hamon sa kanila ang COMELEC.
This Solidarity Pact is more than just the tarpaulin. Kaya lahat po kayo inaanyayahan namin pumirma because this Solidarity Pledge is a solemn oath. Palaging sinasabi kanina ni Hepe, ni Chief, that this is a commitment. So yung mga hindi pumirma, hindi committed, kailangan natin pumirma to signify our commitment to the people of Baguio that we will protect the sanctity of the ballot at all costs.
Para matiyak ang payapa at maayos na halalan sa lungsod, isang Solidarity Pact signing ang isinagawa ng COMELEC. Katuwang dito ang DepEd, PNP, AFP, DILG at iba pang ahensya ng pamahalaan. Kasabay nito ang taimtim na panalangin.
We ask for your divine guidance as we commit to a fair and peaceful election. May our leaders and citizens act with honesty and wisdom, choosing what is right over what is easy.
Nanumpa
That the 2025 elections shall be a reflection of our democratic values.
at saka lumakda.
Let us prove once again that Baguio is driven not by discord, but by the collective resolve of its people to uphold fairness, justice, and integrity.
The commitment we are taking today is part of that support that we also want our school children to be able to learn, whether they are young citizens of this country or whether they are qualified to vote.
There are plenty of things to do. With your support, we will amplify voter education, strengthen our security measures, and ensure that every vote is counted accurately and honestly. This fight does not rest on COMELEC alone. It belongs to every Filipino voters who believe in the concept of elections.
Kumpiyansa naman ang ilang residente ng Baguio na gaya ng mga nagdaang taon, magiging payapa pa rin ang halalan sa lungsod.
People in Baguio are hindi sila napapadala sa kung anong issues. Yung for Baguio voters, they go for yung performance ng mga politicians natin dito.
So wala nang hokus.
Walang hokus-pokus naman.
89 na araw bago ang May 12, 2025 midterm election. Hangad ng COMELEC na gamitin itong panahon ng mga botante para mas kilatisin ang mga ibobotong kandidato. Jose Robert Inventor, RNG News.